And here we go. You can see I got to be on the gas just to keep it running. It's got a really, really rough idle to where it won't even idle on its own. See if I let off the gas at all, where it would die. I can keep it running by keeping my foot on the gas. So I've checked fuel pressure, 50 pounds at the rail. I replaced the ignition module, which was 115 bucks, thinking that for sure that was it. It's not. Obviously, it's got a new one in it. I cleaned up the motor with a wire brush on the drill, in back of the ignition module, so I know it's not something like that. I tested both coils with a real high quality electric meter. I got, I think it was 8.5K resistance, so they both test and spec across the post. I put new plugs in it. Obviously it's getting fuel and spark, just either not at the right time or not properly on some cylinders, and I don't know why. The car ran fine. It's a high mile Saturn, obviously, but it ran fine. My son was pulling into a store and it just started running just like I just showed you and died. And I went over a half hour later to pick the car up. I was going to tow it home with my pickup and jumped in it and hit the key, and it started up and ran perfect. So I drove it home. Came out the next day, started it up, it ran perfect. I went over and picked my son up, and we made about 2 blocks down the road, and it started running like this again. So I limped the thing home by hitting neutral at all the stop signs and stuff, and then keep revving it up to keep it running, and hit the driveway here, and it's been like this ever since. It doesn't snap out of it. So any ideas? Appreciate it. Thank you.